Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to discover a coin that is about to spike up and make a high profit within a short period of time. So in this video I'm going to make it a two-in-one video, where the first part is going to be where you'll be able to discover a coin that has the potential of making a very big spike within a short period of time, and then you're going to be discovering this coin in a known exchange that is listed, such as Binance, Bybit, CoinGecko, any exchange of your choice. So I'm going to be walking you through on how you can discover these coins that have potential. So that's number one. Then the second one is that I'm going to show you how to trade it on a spot trading on Binance, then set your potential target profit. So I'm going to be dropping this video, and then I urge you to please support this channel by subscribing to this channel and like this video for algorithm to show it to other people that really needs it. So let's begin. So the first thing we're going to be doing to start this video is that we're going to come over to a website, and that is CoinGecko. CoinGecko, as you can see on my browser tab. So in CoinGecko, when we're in CoinGecko, the first thing we're going to be doing is that we are first of all going to think about the exchange we are using. Are you someone that uses Binance or Bybit or any exchange of your choice? I'm going to be using Binance, but the process is the same thing. So just come over to this search area, or if you're using your mobile phone, you can go to the search area of your mobile phone and then click to search. So what I'm going to search now is the exchange I'm using. Remember I said I'm using Binance, so I'm going to be typing Binance in the search bar. Then I will scroll down. Now you see this place they wrote exchange. I'm going to click on the Binance that is under the exchange. So when I click on the Binance that is under the exchange, it will show me the coins that are listed in Binance exchange. So as you can see, Binance listed all these coins. So now out of all these coins that Binance listed, I want to now check the one that has potential of making profit within a short period of time. So I'm going to be looking into the volume of what happened within the last 24 hours. So as you can see in this tab, we want to check the 24 hours volume. All right, so within the 24 hours volume, I will be scrolling down. So as you can see, within 24 hours, BTC made a volume of $3 billion, Bitcoin, USDC, and co. But we're not going to be looking at BTC and all those Bitcoin. We're going to be looking for a newly listed coin. So let's keep going. We'll definitely see something. Now you can see this coin. This coin is not as popular as anything because it's a new coin, and it's currently at this level, 297,000. So when I click on this coin, I want to know more about this coin, so I'm going to click on it. So now this coin is currently selling at 0.5198, and then it's made a loss of 14% within the last 24 hours. All right, so now what I'm going to be doing is that I want to see this, and this is the chart. Look, it's just listed recently. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to first of all click on the live chat. I want to see what is going on in the live chat, because so this is the last live chat. So as you can see, this is the second day of this coin. It was just listed yesterday, and then this is the second day because we are under the day time frame. So I want to see it on a full chart, and then I'm going to switch this over to 4 hours candle. Let us see what has been happening within the last 4 hours. So this is it within the last 4 hours. Let's take it within the last 1 hour. So this is what happened within the last 1 hour. You can narrow it down to 15 minutes, 5 minutes to find the perfect entry and all this stuff. So let's analyze it from the 1 hour first, then we'll go back to 15 minutes. So under the 1 hour time frame, I want to check the chances of entering this trade. All right, so what I usually do is we use the Fibonacci retracement tool. That is, we're approaching it through the Forex standard now. So if you click on here, you activate the Fibonacci retracement tool, and then you want to draw it from the lowest to the highest it has gone before making a retracement. So this is it. I'm going to show you how to reset this Fibonacci to work the way you would want it to. So I'm going to first of all click here, and then I'm going to be setting up this Fibonacci retracement. So I'm going to remove certain things that we consider as noise. So I'm going to remove this 2.618. I'm going to remove this. I'm removing this, this, and this. So I'm going to leave these levels, and then I will scroll down. It's just a quick setup we want to do. So I don't want a background color for it, and then I don't want the price is showing. I only want it to appear as a percentage. So I'm going to be leaving it as a percentage. If you want it to show as values, you leave it, but percentage is okay for me. So I'll click OK. In Fibonacci retracement, what we are looking out for is when a price retraces back to at least from 30% of the highest spike that it has made. So in this retracement, you can see that from here to here, this is the least when it was launched, and this is the highest point it has gotten to, and then it is retracing back. So from this list to this high, I'm drawing a Fibonacci retracement. Then I'll be waiting for this price to touch from at least this 38, 50 or 60. Now this one I marked it as yellow because most times I don't enter trade here, but this and this are the key zone where I trade to get. So for me to now choose where I want to place a trade, I want to check if this price has touched the 50% retracement level of the Fibonacci retracement. But it will even be better if I should wait for it to touch the 61%. But sometimes it might not touch the 61, then I'll miss out on the trade because it will start moving up, and then chance of it coming back here will be very far. So what I do is this. Since it is on 50%, I'll check the support and resistance. So let me check the 15 minutes candle to see what we have. So this is the 15 minutes candle, and in the 15 minutes candle we had a very strong support, a bullish wick in this support here, and then I'm being optimistic that this price has gotten to this point. In fact, it has even passed this, then it started retracing. So for me now, I can buy this coin at this point, or I will wait for it to come over to this side, then I'll buy it up. So when I buy it up, so I'm going to set up my stop loss to be around here. If it didn't go right with me, then I'm also going to set my take profits to be around this place, because this is where we had the biggest resistance. So you can see this long wick of resistance. So I'm going to set up my take profits around here. So if I buy this candle here and they allow it to get here, I'm making a very big profit, and then I'm going to be giving it a spread of this point. You get it? So if you can still wait, this is what we call the gold zone of using Fibonacci retracement. If you think you can wait, then you can probably wait for this price to come back again to this section. So you can buy, if you want to buy automatic markets right now, you can just buy it immediately, it's fine. But if you can wait for it to come over here, that means you want to do a set, you want to buy it as a buy limit. I'm going to be showing you this when we get to the spot market trading on Binance. So I'm going to mark this zone because I'll set a buy limit when it gets to this zone. Let me just change the color of this to green so that it will differentiate. So we're taking our loss here and we're taking our profit in this point. So we're going over to Binance now to complete our trade. So right here over in Binance, this is the spot trading section of Binance, and then for you to get over to stock trading section of Binance, just click over the trade here and click on spot. So when you click on spot, this is the page that will come out. Then come over to this search bar and then search for the coin. Remember, the name of the coin is 2Z. So when you click on 2Z, you search for 2Z. Okay, now right in Binance, this is the same chart that we had in our trading view that we checked out. So what I'm going to be doing right now is that I'm going to scroll down to where I'll be buying this market. So remember, in this place we made our analysis, we said if we buy this trade now, we are still okay and good to buy it. So I'm going to be placing a buy trade immediately. So for me to place this buy trade, I'll just click over this market. So there are three different type of trade in Binance. There's in a spot trade, there's a limit market, there is a market execution, and then there is a stop limit market. Now in market execution, if you click on this, all you just have to do is to enter the amount of USDT you want to use and buy. So let me say I'm buying it to $200. So $200, I'll just enter $200 and then I'll click to buy my USDT. So that is it. But if I don't want to buy a market price, like the exact price that it is right now, I'll just click over here the wrote limit. So this is a limit market, and then I'm going to come over to this place and then I'll check the price I said I want to buy. So I said I'll be buying it at this green line bar, and it's at the price of 0.4510. So let me head over to Binance, and then I'll say I want to buy this when the price is 0.4510. Then I will do my I'll say the total amount of USDT I want to use and buy this. I want to use about 200. I want to use about $200 to buy it. So $200 will give us this amount of 2Z. Then you make sure you click on this take profit and take loss. Then in the take profit section, I will come over here, and then remember I said I will take profit here. So I will take profit at 0.7275. So I'm getting over to Binance, 0.7275. So at 0.7275, we are making a profit of 61%, and then we are going to set our stop loss here, and then the stop loss is going to be at 0.3756. 0.3756. So after making all these setups, I will now proceed to click on buy. Now, this is just a peripheral of spot trading on Binance. So I'm going to be making a proper video on how to do a sports trading on Binance. You will get this if you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Please, I urge you to like this video and show support. So if I click on buy now, I won't be able to buy this because I don't have enough balance to officiate this trade. But I believe you got the message I had to pass in this place. Please subscribe to this channel and like my video for the upcoming content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.